Hi, welcome to the more 5-minute St. Louis real estate market update for November 2013. If you'll give me 5 minutes of your time, I'll bring you up to date on what's going on in the St. Louis real estate market. To start with, let's look at the market action index for the 5 counties that make up the core market, or the main part of the St. Louis real estate market, which would be St. Louis County, St. Louis City, Franklin County, Jefferson County, and St. Charles County. And you can see here on our market action index, this is for the past 90 days. All of the indexes have continued to fall over the last 90-day period, although the rate of decline is somewhat slight. You can see that the black line, St. Louis County, is in the best range. It is market action index is a little over 33. Remember, anything over a 30 means it's a seller's market and favoring sellers. So it's St. Louis County is slightly into seller's market territory. The green line represents St. Charles County. They're at about a 31, so also in seller's territory barely. And then the orange line, which is St. Louis City, is right around the 30 mark, so pretty well even. And then Jefferson County and Franklin County are both definitely in buyer's territory range. So we're seeing more of a move towards a buyer's market, or at least for some of the counties, a weaker seller's market. In terms of what are the top sellers markets in the St. Louis area, here's a list here of the top 16. Glendale's at the top of the list this month with a 49. Now our market action index goes up to a 60, so from 31 to 60 is seller's market territory. So you can see here there are some areas of St. Louis that are definitely fairly strong seller's markets, including the 122 zip code area of Glendale, 101 area of St. Louis down in downtown area, out in Grover, Baldwin, Chesterfield, and so on. By the way, you can find these complete lists with all of the market action indexes for all the areas at stlouisrealestatesearch.com or also on stlouisrealestatenews.com. Now for the buyer's markets, the other end of the market, here are some of the top areas in St. Louis that are buyer's markets. These are all down below 30 on our market action index. It goes down as low as a 0. The lower it goes, the more it favors buyers. You can see at the top of the list there is an area of St. Louis, 63103 zip, followed by New Haven, St. Albans, Washington, House Springs. So a lot of the outlying areas have been slower to recover and are in a buyer's market range or territory. Here is a chart showing the number of sales and average sales price for this St. Louis 5-county area combined over the past year. The blue columns represent the number of sales, and the green line represents the average sales price. You can see there that October came in just slightly below the month before, below September, but you can see that it came in ahead of where it was a year ago. If you look to the far left there, you can see that this past October we saw 100 or so sales more during the month. The green line representing the average price, you can see that while it's fluctuated, it is up from where it was a year ago. This next chart is also for the 5-county area. The red line shows the median days on market of listings in this 5-market area that sold. 5-county area. The yellow line represents the median prices of the homes that sold in the 5-county area. And you can see for the 5-county area as a whole, the median price is about $140,000. That's up from about $125,000 a year ago. And but you can see the days on the market's climbing to about 60 days from 50. This is the next slide here is what I call my realtor scorecard. This shows the percentage of the list price that the home sold for at the time of sale. The yellow line shows in relation to the price at the time of sale, so about 97% of what they're listed for at the time of sale. The red line represents the percentage of the original list price, and you can see that's declining a little bit. Homes are selling for about 95% of their original list price. Here is the inventory of homes for sale that has climbed as we'd expect a little bit lately with the slowdown that we've seen. And finally, here's a 10-year look at our look over the last 10 years at the median sales prices as well as median list prices. The blue line is the list price. Green line represents sales prices. You can see both of those have been trending upward for the past roughly 2.5 years or so, going on 3 years. And there you go. Don't forget St. Louis's best real estate search site, St. Louis Homes, when you're looking for St. Louis homes for sale, and it is stlouisrealestatesearch.com. Here's the legal stuff and the disclaimers. You can read that at your leisure. So again, thank you very much, and until next month, God bless you.